Alright guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be installing some new mirror caps and some indicators, some sweeping indicators. I went for the carbon fibre ones as I have a metallic black paint and I didn't quite know how it was going to look with the gloss black you get because of like differences in colour and stuff like that, so I decided to play the safe option and go carbon fibre, but we'll see in the future. I might change them depending on, you know, other mods and stuff like that. So the things you're going to need is obviously the mirror caps and the indicators, and you're going to need some trim removal tools. I've got some here. I think it's a T10 Torx screw, but I'll see when I actually fit it on the car. And a little microfiber cloth, as when you take the glass out, you obviously want to rest that on something, and it's better if you wrap this because it stops you scratching your paint or, you know, any bits of your door. So I'm actually going to do this side first, and I'm going to show you the process on the next side, as I want to make sure this is all alright before I film it. Hopefully I don't crack the glass or anything like that.
I shouldn't have said that. I should not have said that. I shouldn't have said that.
Right, so I've literally just installed this sort of first indicator here, and I want to just show you the difference. So that's that installed, but look, can you see that you can hardly even see these, you know, indicating at all, like you can see just now. And then look, if you come around here, that's so much better. There we go, and the mirror caps are on. That looks absolutely mad. Compare it to the other side. Oh yeah, it's night and day, isn't it, really? It just looks so much better, like, especially from the front. So a lot of these clips now are going to be voiceovers from here, as the wind was pretty bad and it just generally didn't sound good when I was speaking into my phone. So here we go. I'm taking the mirror cap off here, so basically putting the trim tool in, moving it along and just sort of unclipping it as I can. And as you can hear, the quality of this voiceover isn't the best, as I'm in my new room, I'm waiting for my new desk, and I definitely need some acoustic treatment as this room is a lot bigger than my old one. And next you need to get your trim tool and put it under and try and unclip all the clips in the glass to pull it out. I managed to get it out fine on the other side, but as you saw from the intro, I did crack it on this side. To be honest, it doesn't bother me too much, as I've got a new replacement coming. I'm going to be fitting that within a couple of days. It's a bit annoying, but you know, life happens. The next step is undoing these screws, as you can see me doing now, and if you want to make it easy for yourself, undo all of the screws, and these are a T10 Torx like I said in the beginning. And don't forget to unscrew this one on the other side, as you're not going to be able to get the indicator out without unscrewing it. Right, I've just attached it and it is on. However, I had to move the pin slightly of the actual unit here, as they weren't completely lined up. I don't know, I guess you get what you pay for at the end of the day, and I mean, I'm lucky I've just managed to, you know, get it in there and it's all clipped in and it's fine. Right, and just with a little bit of adjusting, I managed to get this all fitting in properly again with this, as before it wasn't. So yeah, just going to do the screws now and then we're done. I've just taped up the wing mirror because I don't want any water getting inside it, and I should have a new mirror in the next day or two. You can see all the water falling out from the layers. Luckily underneath it was pretty dry. There was only a tiny bit of water on the plastic part, so it didn't matter too much. But it's always a good tip to make sure that you cover everything up that is electrical if you're going to be leaving it outside or in an area where it could get water on it. I kept a note of which wire went where as I unplugged them, and I actually resorted to using pliers as there was a little bit of corrosion on the sort of mirror terminals, and it took me a while to find the pliers, so I cut the video, but literally you just pull them off. And then plug the old connectors into the new connectors in exactly the same places, and then push the mirror on and you're good. And then I just adjusted my mirror to make sure that it was in the correct place so I can see behind me, obviously. Sorry for the quality as I zoomed in a bit, but you can see the left and the right indicator working with both the front lights and the actual new indicators on. I also picked up this little 3-stripe M Sport sticker to put on. It's actually like a 3D gel type thing, which is cool. And now I thought I'd give the car a quick snow foam and rinse. And today I'm going to be using Autoglim's Polar Blast as they had a really good deal. And I'm pretty sure it's on right now. If you guys check on Amazon, it's £11. I picked it up locally today where I picked up that same sticker. If I'm honest with you, as a comparison to the Auto Finesse's Avalanche Snow Foam, it's a little bit thicker, so you don't actually have to use as much, which is kind of good. I don't need to worry for a while as it is 2.5 litres, and I mean, I don't know, that'll last maybe a year or two of like maintenance washes, I guess. I don't know, we'll see, and I guess it depends on how much you wash your car, but my initial reactions for this product is it's really good. After the wash I went down to the forest for a little walk and I took these photos of the car for you guys. You can also see these on my Instagram linked in the description. So I hope you enjoyed this journey on installing those indicators and mirror caps. It took a lot longer than expected, but to be honest with you, I'm really happy with the results.